Hey everyone, what I'm going to do right now is just give you a quick overview of our HOA website, show you how to get registered, and just give you a quick walkthrough of it. If you want more information, this document is going to be linked in the details and also the comments section. Basically, this document will show you how to get started. It shows you the website to go to, how to register, and get logged in. That information is going to be right here. Use this information to set up your your login. After that, you're going to log in and get a page that looks similar to this one. So this is the home part. If you go to owner information, you can see this is where your profile is, account information. You can pay assessments. You can see the whole list here of things that you can do. I want to focus just in this part real quick. I want to go to the association information. Calendar is currently blank, but if you click on documents, this is going to be a spot where you can see the whole document library. It's specific to our community, so you can go through here. Any of these are downloadable. The website instruction guide is the document I showed you before. So all you would have to do is click on it. You can double click and actually it will download. You can see it downloading down here. The HOA agendas and notices are going to be underneath this tab right here. And what I found is since this has all the documents that we've used in the past that have been uploaded, if you go here and filter it by 2018 and press refresh, you can see all of last year's documents here. Obviously 2019 does not have any documents just yet, but you can filter it and then you can see any of the agendas from last year that have been updated. You can also see the meeting minutes. So as meetings are coming up, you can actually filter this. So you'll be able to see in 2019, same thing, but you can see all the 2018 ones that are listed as well. So if you wanted to go over the meeting minutes, if there's a meeting that you were not able to attend, or you'd like to see some of the topics that have been covered, all of those things are available to you here. You can also see there are other pieces of information as well. If you just want to go in and search for the documents, this is a great place to start to see that information. So this was just a quick overview. If you have more questions, there are contact information here, and you can get even more information from this 7-page document. Thank you.